In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a beautiful About Me strip in Wix. Start by going to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, find the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where you can begin building your About Me section. Next, click the Add button on the left side of the editor. From there, choose Strip and browse through the available strip designs. Select one that matches the style of your website. After adding it, drag the strip into the area where you want your About Me section to appear on the page. Once the strip is in place, click on it and choose Change Strip Background. Here you can customize the background with a solid color, an image, or even a video. Choose a background that fits your personal brand and keeps the section clean and easy to read. After that, add your photo. Insert an image element into the strip and upload a personal photo from your computer or media library. Position the image neatly so it works well with the rest of the layout. A clear and professional image usually works best for this type of section. Now it is time to add your text content. Insert text elements for your name, a short introduction, and a brief bio. Keep the wording simple and direct. Make sure the text explains who you are and gives visitors a quick sense of your background or purpose. Then customize the overall layout and design. Adjust the spacing between the image and text so the section does not feel crowded. Align the elements carefully and choose fonts and colors that match the rest of your website. This helps the About Me strip look polished and visually balanced. When the design is ready, go into your site settings if you need to connect your domain. This step is important if you want your website to appear under your custom web address when it is live. Before publishing, click Preview to see how the strip looks on your website. Check both the desktop and mobile views to make sure the layout looks good on different screen sizes. If needed, go back and make small adjustments to improve the appearance. Finally, click Publish to make your changes live. Your new About Me strip will now be visible to visitors on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.